Let's talk about emotional regulation techniques. You know, we all could do with them. It's in those moments when we just flip it and we realize we shouldn't have flipped it really because, you know, you're going to regret it afterwards, aren't you? So what can you do in those moments when you're actually about to lose the plot? Well, there are a few things you can do. Number one, you know how they always say, take 3 deep breaths? Well, it's actually true because you can put your hand on your lower belly and inhale like you're inflating a balloon. And that activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which calms you down straight away. Number 2, you can actually count to 10. I know it sounds stupid, but just stop it and go 1, all the way to 10, and it will bring you down. Or number 3, what you can do is focus on an object, look around you, find an object, look at it, in your mind, describe it. What color is it? What texture is it? How big is it? And that takes your focus away from your emotions. Number 4, you can go and splash some cold water on your face and just bring it down. Now, if that's going to ruin your makeup, don't do it. Number 5, you can always do some progressive muscle relaxation. So just clench your fists, clench them, and then release them. Or you can do it with your shoulders and then release it. And hopefully that can help you calm down in the moment when your emotions are flying off the handle.